Hi guys! So, welcome naman sa bago nating video guys. So, sa video na ito guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-set up yung G-Show screen reader. So, madali lang naman yun guys. Tapos pala guys, dalawa yung G-Show screen reader. Yung isa, G-Show Plus, yung isa, G-Show Lite. So, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon is G-Show Lite. So, punta tayo dun sa folder.
Videos. Folder music tools. Folder accessibility tools.
Itong accessibility
folder
tools.
Open. Size 3x2. G-Show Plus.
Itong G-Show Plus, open natin yan.
Application icon. Welcome to G-Show Screen Reader. Welcome to G-Show Screen Reader. This software aims to help blind people use their phones more efficiently. Click on the setup wizard to set basic settings of the screen reader. Click on permission note to view the privacy policy or click exit to close.
So, ayun.
Setup wizard button.
Setup wizard.
Check permission status. Check permissions. G-Show Screen Reader needs some basic permissions to work. For instance, storage permission is used to read sound schemes, extensions, or any other external data from the device. Click on next to continue and grant all required permissions, or click cancel to exit the software. Close. Cancel. Next. Button.
Next natin yan.
Invert swiping gestures. Navigate up. All files access. G-Show Plus 2024. Allow access to manage all files.
So, nakauna yan.
Navigate up.
Navigate na tayo.
Invert swipe setup wizard. Invert swiping gestures.
Itong invert swiping gestures, ito yung parang sa Prudence screen reader or sa TalkBack. Parang magiging same sila.
First, let's set the basic operation mode of the screen reader. By default, G-Show Screen Reader uses the up swipe to move to the previous element, down swipe to move to the next element, and left and right swipes to execute the so-called shortcuts. If you are used to more traditional screen reader operation, please choose the invert swipe gestures option here. It should be noted that when this change is applied, the up swipe will execute the so-called left shortcut, while the down swipe will execute the right shortcut. Now, please swipe down in order to find the option you wish to set, and double tap to activate it.
So, ayun.
Invert swipe gestures
Ito
button.
Sa screen. So, sa akin, invert swipe gestures na lang.
Read usage hints.
Itong read usage hints, ito yung magsasabi siya ng double tap to activate. So, kung sanay ka na sa screen reader, pwede mo nang i-turn off yan. Kung hindi ka pa naman sanay, pwede naman i-on mo lang yan. So, sa akin, i-off ko
Read
lang.
usage hints. Next, let's decide whether you wish to receive usage hints from the screen reader. Usage hints are short messages spoken on any element. These messages can help you to operate a given control, but if you are already familiar with the screen reader operation, it is recommended to switch them off for faster experience. Do you wish to receive these hints? Close. No button.
So, no na lang.
Allow reading of element indexes and display range and lists.
Ito naman, ito yung kung lahat ng sasabihin niya, bibigyan niya na ng number. So, maingay din yan, dagdag ingay. So, sa akin.
Allow reading of element indexes and lists are very close button. No button.
No na lang yan.
Automatically read notifications from the notification bar.
Itong automatically read notifications from the notification bar.
Automatically read notifications from the notification bar. Please select whether you want the screen reader to read notifications. Notifications include incoming SMS messages, weather forecasts, or any other information generated by your device. It is recommended to enable notifications, but if you don't want to be interrupted during your work, you can switch them off. It is worth noting that G-Show Screen Reader has a feature called Notification Box, which might make it much easier to view notifications on some devices. Read notifications button.
So, read notifications.
Use a single TTS engine.
So, ito naman, pwede kang mamili kung halimbawa yung mag-a-announce ng notifications mo, yung Google. Tapos, yung pag nagsaswipe ka or nagta-touch, yung naman, yung